Welcome back to CryptosRUs. I'm George. We're all George. So once again, we had a pretty exciting day for Bitcoin, although we can't say the same thing about alts today. But Bitcoin will explode when this happens, and it could happen during this stream. Let's talk about it. And we had more exciting news once again. So let's talk about everything. And let's see what will happen during this stream. Are we going to see something monumental happen? Are we going to see history break once again? Let's talk about it. All right. Welcome, guys. So we're starting out tonight at 94.3, which is pretty darn good considering yesterday we couldn't break 94. This morning we started out like 94 whatever, and then we got up. But man, I'm talking about just, I don't know, 30 minutes ago or an hour ago, you could see right here, Bitcoin got up to 95,000, which is all-time high, and we kept hitting it on Coinbase, but we were not able to break it. We hit it multiple times over a span of a few hours, and man, the sell wall was ferocious. And you could see we hit it earlier today, couldn't, hit it multiple times, couldn't. And you know what? We're only 800 points away, okay? We may retest it again during this stream. And if we do break through, man, we're going to get such a short squeeze. We may be heading straight for 100,000 right afterwards. That is such an important mark. So let's see what happens, okay? Let's see if that's going to happen. It's going to happen sometime. It's going to happen either today, tonight, tomorrow, end of this week, next week. It's going to happen. That 95K is going to crack. We are going to break it. And it's going to be marvelous when it happens, right? But before that, let's see what happened today. Overall, today's market wasn't bad. We had Nvidia report today. You know, their earnings was spectacular. I don't know. Their stock went down a little bit in aftermarket. I don't know what Wall Street was expecting, like crazy numbers. I mean, they exceeded all numbers, profit and revenue, but I guess Wall Street was expecting more. I don't know. I really don't know what they're expecting because they beat all numbers already. But obviously AI is still carrying them. It's going to be a big narrative going forward. So nothing unexpected. But again, Big Daddy Sailor, his stock did not disappoint once again. Up 10%, up 3% in the after hours. It is the most heavily traded stock. It was the most heavily traded stock today. And it closed at 106 billion market cap. Okay? This is all due to Bitcoin. And look at that. Look at that growth. That's just a crazy growth. MicroStrategy is now bigger than Intel with 103 billion market cap. And is bigger than Dell Computers at 94 billion market cap. That is staggering and tremendous growth within such a short amount of time. So those of you guys that bought MicroStrategy and put it in your portfolio along with Bitcoin, you have seen crazy growth within the last year or so, right? Even more so than Nvidia. It's been a crazy ride, right? And of course, when you compare Bitcoin, there is no second best. Even Sailor knows that. Even with the drawdowns, even with all the bad and everything else, when you compare it to anything else out there, you guys know there is no second best, right? And a day like today, you guys know it. You know, today the alts did not do well. The alts bled. Days like today, you guys realize Bitcoin is still leading away, right? That's why, if I've always said, you got to have Bitcoin in your portfolio. Every day, I spend most of my time talking about Bitcoin, talking about how you got to stack sats, you got to accumulate Bitcoin so that the big boys don't take up all the Bitcoin. You got to take some for yourself, right? Bitcoin is still important. Bitcoin is the best hedge against inflation, the greatest store value we have, the most decentralized network we have as well. And it's going to be crazy next year when Trump and his new administration and everyone on it is so pro-crypto. It is very, very important. I mean, look at this. Trump is thinking about creating a crypto post in his White House, right? It's going to be crazy next year. Absolutely crazy. So, you got to have some Bitcoin exposure. And yes, Devin, like I've been saying, you could quote me on this. Treat all dips as gifts, okay? Because as we go higher, it's going to get very, very expensive. And I don't think we're going to come down. And this goes for Bitcoin and for your favorite crypto. As we go higher and higher and higher and higher and higher, and yes, we will go higher as we move towards December and 2025, we will start rallying and the numbers are going to get staggeringly big, especially for Bitcoin. We're just around the corner. Around the corner to $100,000. We are moving up again. We have a real shot of breaking 95,000 during this stream. If we break 95,000 on this stream, I will go get my blue label and take some shots with you guys, okay? I think if we break 95,000 on this stream, we're going to go ahead straight up to like $100,000. It's been really, really tough to break that. I have not seen a level this hard to break in a very long time. I want to say ever, but I'm pretty sure there has been times it's been tougher. Maybe 20,000 or 10,000 or 60,000. I don't remember, but let's see if it can happen. Let's see if it can happen. All right. So, you know, once we break out, we're already breaking out. You know, we're heading to 100,000 plus, right? But a lot of you guys are wondering when the altcoins are going to show some life. Obviously, we had some already, right? But like a day like today, really the alts really bled out and the money went to Bitcoin, right? Today is definitely a Bitcoin day. You know, the dominance of Bitcoin is probably not going to stop anytime soon. This happens every single cycle. And if we're going based on history, Bitcoin dominance may be going up to like 70-something%. That means there's still a long ways to go. So be prepared. Be prepared. Again, this is why I've always said, make sure you have some Bitcoin in your portfolio. There are a lot of people coming in to this space. They look at Bitcoin, they're like, oh man, it's $100,000. I'm not going to buy any. It's too expensive. Even fractional Bitcoin, too expensive. I'm not going to make any money on it, right? But you got to look at the percentages. It's all about percentages. When Bitcoin's going up, the percentage is going up. You buy all these memes, you buy all these chains. If the percentage is going down, you're not making any money. So it doesn't matter if they're a few cents or they have 8 decimal points. If the percentage is going down, you're not going to make any money, right? So you got to have some Bitcoin in your portfolio. But when the time is right, altcoin season will come. According to TechDev, when does altcoin season actually happen? According to the previous cycles, it started after 3 consecutive weekly closes after the last Bitcoin weekly high. So when is that? Well, it's going to be a while. It's going to be a while. I think true altcoin season is going to start sometime in 2025. Latter half of 2025. That's usually when it starts. It always does. It always does. We'll get brief stints of like random pumps, like what we have seen, right? We saw Cardano, Hedera, XRP, and we saw many Stellar and a very, various memes also pump recently, right? So we're going to see stints of various things pump, but like for everything to start pumping 5 to 10x and stuff, time will come. Time will come, right? Right now, it's about Bitcoin leading the way, getting the money swirling, getting the confidence back, and really about like all the great things that are coming. They're still being built, right? All the recent good news about what is coming, with Cardano, with Hedera, with XRP, and all these things that are being formulated and being built. They are exciting. They are exciting. And there are many things being done, right? This is exciting. Solana, pretty soon may get its own ETF. I know a lot of you guys are asking about Ethereum. Why does Ethereum not move? Well, the biggest reason is Sol. Sol has eaten its lunch completely, basically, right? Even with the ETF, Ethereum is not doing a whole lot. But if Solana gets an ETF, I think it's going to do wonders for Solana. So let's see if this is going to happen sooner than later. Bitwise has now registered a Solana ETF. Let's see if this is going to come. Now that Gary Gensler is out, this may be coming soon. ETS, yes, I did mention that. Microsoft shareholder meeting is coming up. Not only that, Michael Saylor is going to do a presentation for them. I did talk about that this morning and yesterday. So that's going to be pretty big deal. What is it? Juicy USDS yields coming to Solana. That's also Makers, they renamed themselves to Sky. Yep. So their new stablecoins coming into Solana. And of course, you still have a lot of meme frenzies on Solana. There's a new one I've never even heard of before. You know how like Peanut was going crazy, right? Because of it, you got like, look at this, Phantom. Phantom is the best wallet on Solana. It's number 2 in the App Store. It's number 2 in the App Store. That's crazy. Above MetaMask. I don't even see MetaMask on here. That's how popular Solana is and how popular memes are. But I was going to say, Peanut was supposed to be like the new thing. There's a new one now called Chill Guy. Never even heard of it. There's more holders for this than Peanut already. So you got all these random memes that's popping up. And this is why Solana is doing so well. You just got like a whole bunch of stuff coming out every single day. But you got to be careful, right? A lot of people ape into like random memes expecting to be a millionaire overnight. 99.9% of the time, you're going to lose money. So if you're going to gamble into these random memes, do so very carefully with a very small amount of money, because in most cases, you're going to lose money. Just treat them as like a lottery ticket. Just like if you're going to buy a scratch ticket. Most likely, you're going to lose. But if you happen to win, good for you. What else is there? Injective. They're also building a meme bridge between Solana and Injective. I don't even know how that works. So you can bridge memes from Injective to Solana and Solana back to Injective. I don't even know what the purpose of that is, but that's being built right now. We haven't heard a lot about Injective. We do hear about a lot of like random L1s being pumped. I have not seen. Injective was one of the most hyped up chains in 2023. Earlier this year, they were doing very well. They have been building, as you can see. They have came out with Injective 3. They have more burning. They have been building quite a lot this year. So I haven't really seen them move yet, but they could be. They definitely could be. So I'd say Injective is a good candidate for a big move soon. Outside of them, what else? Floki is going to be added to Coinbase. I guess that's not a surprise because Floki's been out for a while. They've been out since 2021, like the third big meme behind Shiba and Doge from 2021. Okay, so that's okay. What else is there? Bonk, near all-time highs, 24-hour volume on Coinbase exceeds that for XRP and Solana. Bonk, you know, every time I was talking earlier, every time I trade Bonk, personal story, nothing really against Bonk, but every time I trade Bonk, I lose shitloads of money. Just don't ever trade Bonk because it's just way too volatile. Personal story. And then lastly, Elon and Vivek, since they are part of this new program, Doge, Department of Government Efficiency, they are going to start doing a podcast. And they're going to talk about what they're going to do in this new department. So that's going to be quite interesting. I mean, it started out as a joke, but now it's turning out to be a real thing. Like, what are they actually going to do? How are they going to actually improve the government? And does this have anything to do with crypto in general? Are they going to improve the government with the use of like blockchain technology or crypto at all? It'll be interesting if they do utilize it in some way. Or maybe it has nothing to do with it. I don't know. Yep. That's it. All right, I'm still waiting for Bitcoin to come right back up to 95,000. We still have a really good chance. It could do it. If we could break through, it'll be celebration time. All right, while we wait, let's do some Q&A. Oh yeah, today is DCA day. And I do have my DCA portfolio pulled up and it's looking spectacular. Look at this. Now it is up to $37,000. Week over week performance, 3.51%. All-time performance now up 105%. It was a good move to sell all my ETH for Solana. People were bashing me. Oh, you should not have done that. Well, that was a good move because ETH has not moved at all. Like I said, I've been doing this since 2021. DCA'd all the way to the bottom, and now all the way to the top. It is at all-time high. You could see this little graph here. It is definitely at an all-time high, and I think this DCA portfolio will end up well into the six figures by the end of next year. So now most things are green. Alts definitely took a beating this week, or at least today, but a lot of these went up. Like Cardano shot up, Solana shot up. I don't have any Hedera in here. I never liked Hedera, so I never added Hedera in here. So, do I have XRP in here? Oh, I do have Hedera. I have very, very little Hedera. Do I have XRP in here? I never added XRP in here. I've been trolling XRP way too hard. So I never added XRP in here. Do you guys think I should add XRP? I will let you guys decide. I will put up a poll here. Should I add XRP to my portfolio?
What do you think about Ripple?
Well, I mean, I think it's too centralized, but I definitely want to meet Chris Larson.
Okay, you guys vote real quick. Oh shoot, the video just played. I didn't mean to play that video intentionally. It just played by itself. Man, I don't know what to do about my Polygon, to be honest. Polygon is just so weak, and I'm not hearing good things about them, and they're still down 52%. They are just not moving. I'm actually really struggling whether I should just sell them off and move on to something else. I mean, everything else literally has been moving except Polygon. I was saying that about Cardano. Luckily, they did move. Literally everything has moved. Even VeChain moved, except Polygon. Polygon and Say are like the only two that did not move. Man, you guys are making it hard. The poll is 50-50. What should I do? I don't have Doge in here either. I don't really want to add Doge. Hey, we're climbing up, guys. We might be hitting that 95 mark. Or maybe I should just stick with Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the only one that's really doing well right now. All right, I'm going to end the poll. 51% said no, so I'm going to say no. Before the super chats disappear, let me answer them real quick. Treadka, what will happen to so-called zombie coins that underperform year over year? Do they just go away? No, sometimes they don't. Dogecoin was zombie coin for years and then just came back. So, you know, you got to make a choice sometimes to stick with it or just move on to something else. MJ Matrix, where we put money, Sui or ADA? That's a tough one. I personally like Sui better, but you know, now Charles got the momentum back. Joseph, any thoughts on price point for profiting at MSTR? Joseph, I don't even think about taking profits on MSTR only because I think Bitcoin is going to keep going. So I don't even think about profiting at MSTR. I know that they are way overbought right now, and at some point it's going to correct hard, but I don't even care because I know 2025, the entire year, Bitcoin is going to keep on going up, and as long as that happens, they will continue to do well. You know what? I'm just gonna add some, honestly. Like it's time. You know, I've done enough trolling at XRP. This week, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna add Bitcoin because you really can't beat Bitcoin. I'm gonna do 50-50 here. So I'm gonna add $50 into Bitcoin. Divide by 94516. See, as high as Bitcoin is, I'm still going to DC into it because you just can't go wrong. 0.00526. I think that's right. Let me check if that's right. Where's my transactions? Oh, I added it twice. I gotta delete one of these. Okay, I gotta delete one of these. I accidentally did it twice. Okay, delete that. Okay, so I added Bitcoin, and then I'm going to add something. I'm going to add XRP. I'm going to support them because Gary's gone and they may actually do well. All right. But you know, like the point I was making earlier, honestly, like Bitcoin maxis, you know, will make this point and they're right. But eventually altcoin season will take over. But you know, everything that I've been doing here, if you look at it, nothing has outperformed Bitcoin. Had I just put all the money into Bitcoin, my portfolio would be way higher. Because Bitcoin dominance keeps going up and it is the best performing asset there is. Even though it is the highest price compared to all these, the performance has been better, right? That's the point I was trying to make. But I know better. Eventually, Bitcoin dominance will come down and alts will have their turn. That's why I'm still DCing into the alts. But this is why it's important to have Bitcoin in your portfolio, because when Bitcoin dominance is going up or when there's weakness in the alts, Bitcoin will carry your portfolio. You don't want to have all alts and then Bitcoin goes up and all your alts are not moving. Then it's going to like make you really sad. Okay, we're going to retest that 95,000. This is going to happen, okay? This is going to happen again. Hold on. Kyle, how high can DeFi kingdoms go? Hopefully back to their previous high, but it may be really tough because they were at 1.5 billion before. Fernando, do you think most of the good projects in the top 30 that survived the bear will make an all-time high? Maybe, but I don't know about Matic. Most will, but I don't think everyone will. That's the thing. Before I used to think so, but now there's so much competition. A lot of the L2s, I'm not sure they will either because there's so much competition, and the L2s on ETH, since ETH is so weak, I'm not sure they will either. Crypto things, first time super chat. Thoughts on render with Nvidia positive earnings, but you know, Nvidia actually went down after the earnings, so I don't know if it was actually positive. Okay, we're gonna retest it again, guys. Okay, if we break through, it's gonna be nutty. 9999, 95, 95. It's so freaking hard to break 95. We just tested it again. We just can't break that. Come on. Everyone just throw 100x right now. Let's break it. If you had to pick one, 10K in Sol, 10K in Stacks, Sol. Dean, look at Neuro AI, one of the biggest subnets in Tau. Biggest generative AI play. I've looked at it before. I don't remember much of it. I have seen that project before. I just can't comment much about it because I don't remember much about it. Come on. Just break the freaking thing. Look at how flat it is over here. I haven't seen a resistance this tough to break. The sell wall at 95 must be like crazy. Do you think CRO will reach 99 cents again? I don't know what CRO's at. 17 cents? It could. That's less than 10x. Yeah, it could happen. Let's go test it again. Let's go test it again. Something about Coinbase. Maybe Coinbase is like, maybe Coinbase is shorting the market. Coinbase doesn't want to go above 95. Christian, thank you for that. MSTR is increasing scary fast. I think at some point MSTRs go correct extremely hard. But for me, I don't care. It's not like I'm playing leverage on MSTR. It's not like I'm going to get liquidated on it. I'm just going to hold for an entire year. But I'm making like crazy money on MSTR right now, so... All right, come on. Let's just break through 95 here. Let's head straight to 100K. I hate watching the chart on a 30-second window time frame. It's like watching paint. Ambassador, do you think I'm at venti safe? I don't know what at venti means. To buy ADA and XRP now, you think it will drop more at this point? It depends on if we break through. If we go higher, I think we'll go higher. If we break through this, I'm like confident we just go straight to 100K. Come on. Why is this so tough? Everyone just throw 100x at Bitcoin right now. Either that's gonna get you liquidated or it's gonna be the smartest move, because if this shoots up to 100K, that 100x is going to make you guys a lot of money. I'm just kidding. Don't do it. Don't listen to me. I'm just joking. Thoughts on MSTU versus MSTR? I'm heavily loaded on MSTU because I'm a degen. It's forming a bullish, bullish pennant right now. I don't know. Just can't. It just can't do it. It just can't do it. At least the alts are starting to come up a little bit. Oh. Oh. It's like watching paint dry right now. MSTU is 2x MSTR. Oh, we're going to try it again. We're going to try it again, guys, right now. Oh, 95. 95. Let's go. Let's break it. Let's break it right now. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, we broke it. We freaking broke it. Keep going. Keep going. Don't stop. We broke it. We did it. Holy shit. We did it, guys. We'd probably just liquidate a whole bunch of people. I mean, let's watch this fly. This should start flying. Come on. Come on. Keep going. Come on, we gotta see it go. We gotta see it fly up. We can't just like have that was. We gotta see it like start flying. See the George effect. All of you guys with me right here. We made it happen. Okay, now we gotta see a God candle here, like just like start shooting up. Let's do it. Where's the God candle? Come on. Where's the volume here? Let's see if the volume kicks in. Where's all the liquidations? We should see like all the liquidations push us higher. Oh, there's a big battle going on right now. Yeah, you can see there's a big battle going on right now. I think those bears do not like this. Come on. Come on. We need this. We need some God candles here. No, we need to go the other way. No. Where's the God candles up? Those bears. Those sellers, man, they really don't want us to go higher. They really, really don't. Whoever wants to keep us below 95 really does not want us to go higher. I don't know. There's something above 95. I don't know what it is. There's something above 95 that they really do not want us to go. But, you know, Bitcoin is strong right now. So let's see. We hit 95.40. Man, I honestly thought we must have cleared some shorts over there. I really thought we would have seen like a God candle come up. Man, it's tough, really tough. They really don't want us to go higher. We need, yeah, we got a level right here, 95,022, 11 million. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense here. We need to go just a little bit higher to clear out 11 million worth of shorts. And then over here, 95.2, then 95.5, 16 million. This will be tough. 95.7, 28 million. So if we push up a little bit more, we should stop around 95.7 and then 96 at 25. So technically we should push to 96. That's when we clear out most of it. We could do it. We could do it here. Like if we push, we could go all the way to 96 like right now. We should see this God candle up to 96. All right, let's see. We're going to do it again. We should start liquidating them now if we keep going. We pushed this up pretty easily. You can see low volume and we pushed right back up. So let's see. Binance didn't break 95. How is Binance not hitting 95? Where's Binance? Oh yeah, Binance is still 94,929. That can't be right. It hasn't updated yet. Bitstamp crossed. Bitfinex didn't cross either. A lot of these didn't cross yet. Kraken did not cross either. Only Coinbase did. That may be the reason why. Coinbase, but you know, now Coinbase as well, but we're breaking 95 constantly now. I guess Coinbase has a premium right now. That's why it broke 95 and didn't break it on Binance. That's why we haven't seen the God candle yet. It makes sense because on the other exchanges it hasn't hit yet. That's why it hasn't liquidated them. If it crosses 95-ish, 95, see this liquidation, that's why it makes sense. This 95,022 is on Binance, so it probably hasn't triggered on Binance yet because we haven't crossed that. On Coinbase it did. We hit 95,040. It should have liquidated these guys, but it never went up this high on Binance yet. So it actually makes sense. We need to go a little bit higher, and then those Binance guys will get liquidated. Man, we're just so close. So close. We just need a little bit more volume. We just don't have enough volume. We just need a big volume candlestick here. And then just push us up like 100 points, 200 points. That's all we need. I already have my longs, man. I have so much longs open. I'm waiting for this to pump. What the heck is up with USDC? It just says 0. What are you talking about? Oh. Hey, we're getting a little movement here. 95,020. Oh. Hey, we're starting to build a little bit. We're starting to build a little bit. 30 on Coinbase. Oh. Oh, 37. Hey, 42, 45, 49. Oh, 50, 60. Oh, I think the other exchanges, I think they're going to start liquidating. I think we're going to start seeing some God candles pretty soon. Oh, here we go. Here we go. See, now on Binance and stuff. Oh, there we go. Now on other exchanges, they're getting wrecked. Let's see. Let's refresh. Oh, it can't even refresh. Yeah, you see? Now it crossed into it. Now it's starting to wreck them. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, you see? Now the volume's coming in. Now we're heading straight up to 96. Here we go. Now the God walls are coming. Look at this volume. The volume's coming in. Now the volume's coming in. All those shorts are getting liquidated right now. Every single one. Every single one, guys. Now I can zoom out on the time scale because we're going straight up. Yeah, all these guys are getting wrecked right now. All these guys. We're go straight to 96, I think. Yeah, so we wrecked the 95.2. Next level is 95.4, 5, 6. So we're almost there. If we go up to like right here, then they're wrecked. Dan Crypto Man. Yeah, we're like 50 points away from wrecking another 16 million. Then we're going to hit 95.7. That's 28 million. Oh, okay. So we just wrecked another, I think. Yeah. Okay. So we just wrecked. Yeah. Okay. We need to push up a little more. If we just keep causing cascading short squeezes, we're going to go like straight up to like 96 right now. That's what's going to happen. I guess I should go bust open the blue label, huh? Thank you for that super chat. Pelagic? Is that how you say it? Thank you for that. Oh man, we're going higher, guys. We are going higher. $95.5. 95.6. Oh god, these guys are in trouble here. That's another like 18 million that's about to be wrecked. $95.6. I think we're heading straight to 96, guys. We're going straight to 96. I just don't I just don't get, man, we're really not gonna stop. Let's see here. Let's refresh. I wonder, oh, I guess I could see anyone. Yeah, okay, so we just liquidated 30 million right here of 95.7. That was a huge wall right there. That's a huge level right there. Hey, we don't have a lot. 26 million if we hit 96,000. Are we going to hit 96,000? We may. Yeah, we liquidated all these right here. That was probably a good 50 million. If we keep going, that's another 30 million right there. If we could hit 96, $100K tonight. I don't know. I don't know if we can hit 100K, but we certainly got rid of a lot of shorts on Binance. That's for sure. And we may be getting more. This is Binance. I mean, yeah. Bybit. If this ever updates. Maybe I should have stuck with Binance. I bet if you add it all together, oh man. This is a lot. Yeah, this is a lot. I mean, Binance is probably the biggest. Let's just look at overall liquidations. Within the last 5 minutes. No. 1 minute? No. It's all longs? That doesn't make sense. Did it not register? Maybe these? Is it so quick it didn't even register yet? Well, anyways, you guys know it registered. Yeah, we're still going. I don't think that's going to stop. Let me see here. I'll be right back. Do we hit 96 yet? Almost. We're almost there. Well, I promised if we broke it a new high, I got a brand new bottle with me. So you know, these are getting rare. I get these at Costco, and some of the Costco's are sold out. Cheers. Man, we are not stopping. 95.8. More and more shorts are going to get wrecked. The next level, guys, 96. There's going to be 22 million on Binance. That's just Binance. Now look at now the volume's picking up again. You're getting more. Okay, we're about to hit 96. We're getting more shorts liquidated. We're gonna get a massive short squeeze. I don't know how much more we're gonna go. I mean, we do have some, but it starts really clearing up here. You see, like after 97. We don't have much. We don't have much going up to 99, guys. Or we go just like go straight up to like 99. Are we actually going to like do this? You know, this morning I drew this, right? We were 5% away. Now we are 4% away. It's getting kind of crazy, guys. Remember what I said? Every dip is an opportunity. Every dip is a gift. It's not going to get any cheaper, guys. It's only going to get more expensive from here on out. Got to get some good bourbon. Like what? Still no power in Washington? What do you mean by that? You lost power? We got freaking 8,200 people in here watching Bitcoin make a new freaking high, 95,700. It's freaking marvelous. On a shorter time scale, like the 5-minute, Bitcoin is severely overbought, but it does not matter. Right now, all the shorts are getting just wrecked, one after another, after another, after another. So Bitcoin could just keep on going. It'll be nice to see some of this money flow into the alts. The alts have not moved one bit. It'll be nice to see some of that money go into the alts. But you know what? Right now, I can't complain when Bitcoin just keeps on going higher and higher and higher and higher. Man, tomorrow, MicroStrategies go open up like plus 20%. Tomorrow, MicroStrategy is... You know, MicroStrategy is just not going to stop. It's look at this 1 month performance. Tomorrow is going to probably break 600. Sailors go look like the biggest genius on the planet. Man, Bitcoin is so strong right now. Like, it should correct a little bit right now. If you were a TA guy, you would say, well, Bitcoin should go down a little bit, right? Because it's overbought. But, like, there's so much momentum right now. So much short squeezes going on right now. It's not really coming down. It just wants to keep on going. Rexstick Adventures, drink it up. You deserve it. Thanks for the whole year. Thank you, my man. This is why I'm telling you guys, why I told you guys, you know, this whole year to stay strong, stay focused, continue to DCA. You know, I did what I can to keep you guys in the game, focused. And I did a lot of thumbnails saying, get ready, you know, 100K is around the corner, you know, all-time highs coming. As long as you guys stayed in the game, you know, I did my job for days like today. We are so close, so close. We're 3,000 points away from $100,000. I don't know if you guys like grasp the weight of $100,000 Bitcoin. Even though it's not physical, it's a digital currency, but like, just really think about it. Those of you guys that have a whole Bitcoin and more, $100,000 for a single Bitcoin. Do you realize how hard it is to accumulate one Bitcoin now? It's just, it's mind-boggling. You know, I made my mom a millionaire. You know how like most people want to become a millionaire like instantly. I became a millionaire when I turned 40, which for most people's standard already is very old. My mom became a millionaire when she turned 70. She never thought she would, but she did, simply by accumulating Bitcoin. You know, I helped her do that. And hopefully I helped a lot of you guys do that too. So, you know, Bitcoin changes people's lives. It really does. Scott, I appreciate it. I can't pronounce your Korean name, but I appreciate it. Next year, I will be talking about profit taking. New England Patriots, congratulations. And we got 8,500 people in here. I don't know what you guys want to see. We're all-time high. And we got a lot more gains coming. This is just the beginning. And we're not even done with November. What are we in terms of In terms of gains for this month, we're at plus 34.5%, guys. You know, a lot of you guys, Rich, thank you. A lot of you guys were disappointed with Uptober, right? And I told you guys, a lot of you guys were, first of all, disappointed with September. And I told you guys, September doesn't have to be red. A lot of people were making this case like, oh, September is going to be red because historically it's the worst month of the year. And I said it doesn't have to be because we're getting the very first rate cut in 4 years. Guess what? We had the best September ever for Bitcoin at plus 7%. The best in Bitcoin's history. Think about that. And then we compounded that with the 11% gain in October. And some people didn't like it, didn't think that was enough. Now we're compounding that with a 35% gain in November, and this month is not over. Now imagine what we're going to have in December. Imagine if we compound our 35 or 40%, whatever we end up with another 30%, 40% in December. It's going to be crazy, crazy. I don't know where we're going to end up by the end of this year. The way we're going right now, I don't know where we will end up. SCR, you're welcome. Thank you. Perry, thank you. Even though you're not quite there yet, you're close. You've been DCing. That's all that matters. Crypto class. Hopefully I didn't disappoint. Wheeze Barney. Go Digibyte. I don't hear anyone talking about Digibyte anymore. Man, we're so close to breaking 86. I mean, 86, 96. You guys realize we just kind of skipped over the 80s? We just went from 70s to 90s. Do you guys even remember 80,000 Bitcoin? Like we just shot up above it. Like it didn't happen. Great Duck, Dent Repair Minnesota, you're welcome. I'm glad you stayed with it. Shorts won't be getting a minute of sleep tonight. That's for damn sure. Well, maybe they will because they'll be crying themselves to sleep. Yeah, I don't remember 80,000 Bitcoin, like 85,000. I don't remember we were ever in the 80s. We really just went from like 70s to like 90s right away. Man, we're so close. So close indeed to 96. And beyond, I can't even imagine, after we get to 96, what's going to happen, because it gets really, really light after 96. There's not much stopping us above 96. Well, I should say not much after 97. Going up to 97, there's still a little bit left. And then it gets really clear. Brian is asking about stacks. I still like stacks. Programmable layer 2 for Bitcoin. They went through a Nakamoto upgrade. I still think they're a fine project. Chris, welcome. New member. just like slowly creeping up. Crusty delinquent. Because of you, I'm going to check out Costco. You're always going to get a fair price at Costco, but then you're going to overspend. That's the problem when you go to Costco. You see a lot of stuff you want, but you get bulk. You get way more than you need. We don't have a lot of volume at this point. It's like we're so close. I don't know how much more we have left. If we could break 96, I think we get another push because we'll get a little bit more short squeeze going. But I don't know if we could get there. Maybe we can. It looks like we're setting up another pennant right here. It kind of looks like we're setting up a pennant. I didn't want to do that. I don't know. I don't know if a pennant really... I don't know if you really need to do TA at this level. I mean, it's really just driven by short squeezes at this point. Hey. There you go. Looks like we're going to break out. We are going to hit 96. Did we hit 96 already? No, we were really close. 95.9. Oleg. Yes, that's true. Oh. Oh, we're about... Oh, I think we're going to hit 96, guys. Did we hit it already? Nope. Nope. Actually, I think we did hit it. I think we hit it, but now we're going to clear it. Look at that. Look at that volume spike right there. A little bit right there. Yeah. Yeah, we just... Yeah, we're going to clear it right now. We're going to clear it. Oh, no. Or maybe. Zach, DDT. Zach, don't worry. Solana's go have its day. It did pump up recently, like 10%. Don't worry. It's go have its day. DDT, welcome. Man, we almost got 9,000 people tuned in here. $96K at Robinhood. Man, I don't even know what MicroStrategy is go open at tomorrow. Let's go open at like $1,000 tomorrow. We may get another... Will ETH have its day? This is getting sad. Stop talking about ETH, man. Joel Amos, I hate to say it. ETH is not going to have a good cycle. ETH is going to get cooked by Sol, man. I'm just going to say it. 1111 Ben says 1111 open at 80.5K, close at 89. Yeah, we basically skipped over 80K for Bitcoin. We never really had any 80K Bitcoin. Michael Lance says, because of you, I went all in on Bitcoin a year ago. Congratulations. That was the right move. Jesse, new member, welcome. Chris, thoughts on Clover? Is that CLV? Is that Clover? I'm not familiar with that project. I've heard of it, not familiar with it. Dump it on to Pepe, not the right move. I've been watching since 2020. Wow. OG watcher. Thanks. Thanks, my man. 96,000. We just hit it. We may get some more God candles now because we're going to get more liquidations coming up. Let's see if we're going to get it. We had it at 95,000 when we kind of broke through, but it didn't trigger. This is on Coinbase. It didn't quite trigger on Binance yet. Once it triggers on Binance, we may get more God candles when we get more liquidations. Let's see. We got 9,000 people. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I stream twice daily, 8:30 a.m. and p.m. every day, Monday through Friday, Central Standard Time. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. All right, let's see. We got to push a little bit above that 96. We had a problem pushing above 95. Let's see if we're going to push above 96. Lincoln, I still remember you. Hopefully you converted some of your Litecoin to Bitcoin. Wow. $200 super chat. Thank you, my man. Thank you. Lazaro. Appreciate it, my man. Appreciate it. Looks like we can't quite break above 96. Some strong sell walls at 96. Chris, I'm glad to hear that. Exchanges glitching. Is Coinbase crashing? When Coinbase, sorry, I'm starting to slur my words. When Coinbase starts crashing, you know there's FOMO coming. Can you review the Cadillac V? I don't know if I can get Cadillacs. I don't have a deal with Cadillac to get their cars. Check my leverage plays. I did. None of the alts are moving. They're not really doing anything. My Bitcoin did well, but my alts are not moving at all. It's disappointing. I need some of the money to flow into the alts. The alts are like doing horrible. I wonder what Peter Schiff is doing. Is it too late to DCA like 50 bucks into Bitcoin? No, it's never too late. Bitcoin's gonna go a lot higher. It's never too late to DCA into Bitcoin. That's my motto. Thoughts on new Supra? I like it. I like the new Supra. Man, we got 9,200 people watching right now. You guys all need to smash with a like and subscribe to the channel. MicroStrategy is going to open up at like 550 tomorrow, man. Tomorrow in the pre-market, it's going to be like plus 10% at least. Maybe it's going to open up at like plus 15%. It's going to be absolutely crazy for MicroStrategy tomorrow. It's already bigger than Intel and Dell. It's going to be at like 120 million market cap tomorrow. Not million, billion. Maybe even 130 billion. MicroStrategy is going to be unstoppable because of Bitcoin. And, you know, Wall Street is going to go crazy for Bitcoin tomorrow. Bitcoin may be at 100,000 tomorrow. I don't know about tonight, but tomorrow, like Asia right now is open. Asia should be FOMOing in on Bitcoin right now. I don't know what it is. This cycle, North America is leading on Bitcoin. Like Wall Street is FOMOing on Bitcoin. I don't know why Asia is not FOMOing on Bitcoin as hard this cycle. They should be. I don't know why they're not. Kareem, I've been watching this since 2020, and until now, I don't know what you mean by I am George, we're all George. You still don't know what that means? Even now? Dan, did I miss your super chat? I don't see your super chat. It just means, for those of you guys that are new, why I say it, it just means we stand together. Because I've been streaming for a long time. We've been through a lot of crypto winters. And we needed to stick together. That's what it means, right? Through thick and thin, as if we were married. You know, that's all it means. It looks like we're going to test 96 again. We just shot up there real quick. Oh, now we shot down again. Yeah, I don't know if we're going to break it. It looks like we want to. Look, we're right back up again. It looks like we want to break 96 again. Yeah, we're right at back up. Yeah, I think we're going to try it again. Mac Valley, appreciate it. Yeah, we're going to try. Every time Peter Schiff double downs his trash talk, Bitcoin goes higher. Yes, that's actually true. NMCT. Oh, we broke it. 96. Oh, now we're going to get some God candles, it looks like. 96. 055. Asia having a rough economic time. Yeah, they are. They're not doing that well, especially Japan. Man, we just broke it. Now we're in a new high territory once again. 96,042, guys. 168, 175. We're getting more God candles now. We're getting more shorts. More liquidations. Now we just wrecked another 20 million. We're about to wreck another 14 million if we go a little bit higher. Yeah, that's what's happening right now. Look at that volume right there. Look at that volume spike. Oh my God. Now we're going 96.5. Oh my God. We're going higher, guys. We're spiking upwards. Tonight is going to be a long night, guys. We're going 95.5. Man, tonight is not a good night for the shorts. That's for sure. We smashed through 20 million, 14 million, 14 million. We got another 15 million, 10 million, and then it really clears up, guys. There's not much standing from here to like $100,000. It's getting wild. It's getting real wild, guys. What's your take on XRP and central banks adopting it for money transfers? Dan, I don't think they're going to adopt it for money transfers, but XRP is going to be used for other things like gaming and smart contracts and so forth. But banks, they're developing their own chains and own tokens, so I don't think they're going to adopt it. Man, I got to throw some more longs at this. Bitcoin is not stopping. $96.6, guys. $96.6. Are we going to see this stop? I should be done streaming already. This is way beyond my bedtime. And I'm getting more drunk by the minute. Man, 96.8. We're going to get another 15 million liquidated. And then 10,000,097. It's getting expensive, guys. It's getting expensive. In case you're wondering what I'm drinking Blue Label right here. This is it's getting a little crazy here. I mean, just look at the look at the God candle after God candle after God candle just keeps on going. Joey says, good evening to Mara. Is that your wife or significant other or your daughter? Hello. Hello, Mara. You know, I feel sad. Bitcoin is so expensive now. I feel sad. It's so hard to accumulate. There's almost 10,000 people in here watching. How can I log off when more and more people are tuning in watching this right now? I mean, just a year ago, Bitcoin was at like $30,000, guys. We have gone up like 200% in a year. What happened to all those people calling for like 10,000 Bitcoin? What happened to Gareth Soloway like throwing on a short? What happened to all the people that were throwing shorts on Bitcoin? What happened to them? I think I need to log off. Man, this train is not stopping. We're so close. We're so close to 9999. We're so close to $100,000. What if I just left the stream on and just went to bed? No, that would be silly. Man, it's just so crazy. 96.7. We're just going higher. We are not stopping. This train is not stopping. We're going to hit 97 soon. 96.8. More and more God candles is being formed right now, guys. We're getting more and more squeezes happening. Man, I got to plan that 100K party. Now we got 10,000 people watching. This is absolute craziness. This is crazy. Craziness. You know, I was just working out before I started streaming. My DCA portfolio just went up by like $1,000 since I DCA'd. Oh, man. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Man, this is not stopping. I remember buying Bitcoin back when it was 95. Remember, like, just like when we were at 95 and I told you guys to throw 100x long? That would have made good money. One more glass, you can call it a night. No, I'm not going to have any more. I think I had enough. If this hits 97, I think I could call it a night. I think we just wrecked more shorts. Jamil says, I'm feeling dirty tonight, filthy tonight. Yeah, we just wrecked another 17 million worth of shorts. If we go to 97, we're going to wreck another 12 million worth of shorts. And then it just gets really thin up here, guys. I mean, it gets pretty thin in terms of wreckage. There's not a whole lot more to wreck. And it looks like we're going to hit 97. It does look like we're going to hit 97. Where do you like to trade? My new exchange I like to trade on is BitUnix. My new favorite exchange. The foreign exchange, no KYC, open to US residents. Check it out in my description. If you just be careful with leverage. I'm a degen. I play with high amounts, high margin. If you go play, be careful. But check out BitUnix. I really do like them. They're in my description. Man. 96.9. Why are the alts not going? Come on, XRP. I got a big leverage play on XRP. I'm like down huge. Where's the XRP army when you need it? XRP army, let's start pumping XRP. I got a huge position on Stellar. I'm down huge. Huge position on Bonk. Down huge. Where are all the liquidity? Only Bitcoin is pumping right now. We're about to hit 97,000, guys. 97,000. That's just crazy. Look at the volume. The volume is increasing right now. It's going up in a big way. That's a huge volume spike out of nowhere. We're about to cross 97, guys. We are so close. We're about to cross 97. Oh, maybe not. It looks worse than it is because I'm on a 30-second time frame. That's only like 150 points. And we're right back. If you zoom out, it doesn't even register. Yeah, maybe that's it. Maybe we can't cross 97. Maybe that's it for tonight, guys. Maybe that's a sign for me to sign off. Although there's 11,000 people watching right now. I think all you guys need to go pump XRP. Maybe I should show the education video. Maybe that'll make you guys FOMO into XRP. Did we hit 97? Maybe we did. Maybe we cleared out those shorts already. Let's see. Let's see if we did. Oh, I think we did. I think we did. We crossed into it. So I think we did. We cleared out another 11 million. So yeah, we did. It's good enough. It's good enough. We're pretty clear until 99. So I think that might be it for today. I think we may be done for today, but who knows? Maybe we wake up at $100,000. You know. It's been fun, guys. I think I need some rest. I need some rest, guys. Let's wake up to $100,000, and maybe we wake up to some alts actually moving, because alts are like really hurting right now. Man, but we had a good time, guys. We had a really good time. It does look like, you know, if you look at Bitcoin, it does look like it is very overbought right now. We had a lot of short squeezes, a lot of wreckage, which is good for the shorts. We never shed a tear for the shorts. No one cares about the shorts. Let's get rid of them all. I think we briefly touched 97,000, which is great. Tomorrow is going to be even better. Wall Street's going to go nuts over Bitcoin. Wall Street's going to go nuts over MicroStrategy. I mean, tonight actually might not be done. Asia might actually FOMO in. Asia should be FOMOing right now. It's like their afternoon time. They should be FOMOing in. We might actually see 100,000 Bitcoin tomorrow. All right, guys. Smash the like. Subscribe to the channel. It's been really fun. I'm going to get some rest. Everyone go buy some XRP. And I will see you guys tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. All right. Have a good one. Take care. Bye-bye.
What do you think about Ripple?
Well, I mean, I think it's too centralized, but I definitely want to meet Chris Larson.